Hi, welcome to Diamond Custom Paint. I'm going to do a short video on how to mix and spray LiME LiNE's white base coat. So what we'll need is we're going to need the base coat and urethane reducer, and that's all we need. And with LiME LiNE's base coat, you mix it 50-50 as a start with urethane reducer. So I have a jar, a little cup here where I have marked off halfway point. So this is the total volume, and then this is the 50% mark. So first we're going to take our white base coat, pour it in here, mix it up to the halfway mark. Okay, and then we're going to take our reducer. This is the LiME LiNE reducer in this bottle, and fill it up to the second mark there. And then this is just to start. If you're going to spray this out of an airbrush, you would, thin this out a little bit more. I'm going to be spraying this out of a 0.8 minigun, LiME LiNE's minigun here. So once I pour it in a cup, I may put a couple of squirts of reducer in there to thin it out a little bit more. But this is a good start. Once you mix this like this, you can save this. It's not going to go bad. You can just put it in a container and you can save it. So this is a good starting point, the 50-50. So we're going to mix that up there. We'll pour this in our gun. And there we go. We're ready to go. Now for best results when you're spraying LiME LiNE's base coats, spray light coats and let it flash off between coats. When I say flash off, that means when it goes to the shiny, when you first spray it, to a dull look. And then it's called flashed off, and then go ahead and spray another light coat. That'll give you your best coverage without using a whole lot of paint. So we'll be right back and we'll spray a little bit on.